Hey guys, welcome back to this video. So for today, I will be talking about the types of indicators that I use in my trading system, and maybe you can get like something out of this video. So let's get started. If I come to the bottom of the screen over here, you can see the listed indicators that I have, and these are the ones that I use, and most of them are just for momentum movements. Okay, so the first one is the envelope indicator. The second one is the simple moving average, that is the 200 MA. The third again is the simple moving average 50. The fourth is the simple moving average 100. Okay, so let me just start with the envelope indicator. Okay, let me just bring it up here and see. Okay, so what the envelope indicator is as I said in the beginning, that all my indicators that I use is for momentum movement. So these are the ones that I'm currently using in my trading system, and maybe likely that I will put in more, but most of the times I just try to like minimize using the usage of indicators. So what indicators are, before you dive into using any indicator, just know that indicators are used for confirmation. After you do all your analysis, indicators are here just for confirmation, you know. Yes. Okay, so what the envelope indicator is as I said, it's for momentum. And basically how you use it is, okay, see this line here, this orange line within blue the blue line. Okay, so this one um can act as, okay, they act as moving averages. Okay, basically the envelope indicator is an indicator that is put together with other moving average to create this. Okay, so how to use this is that you trade it almost similarly, just like any simple moving average. Really, you know that if a breakout occurs, then that means you have to buy or sell, right? So this is how it is written here. I'll give an example right here. Let me just do this. Okay, let's say I did my analysis. Okay, and right there. Okay, and let's say I waited and I was like, okay, if this breakout occurs, I'm gonna take a sell, right? Okay, let's assume that example, right? If this breakout occurs, I'm gonna take a sell. Okay, and then the breakout occurs, the first confirmation, and then I need another confirmation. Like, okay, what else can I confirm that this is a legit, or make my evidence more stronger so that I can take the sell? So I bring up the envelope indicator, sorry, and you can see that even on the envelope indicator, a breakout occurs. Okay, so the first thing that you have here is the trend line. Okay, analysis, and then you bring up the indicator just to confirm it. Okay, so indicators are used for confirmation, not for taking trades. Okay, because I can give you an example of a false breakout here. Okay, okay, it can be here. All right, you see, even here a breakout occurs, you take your sell, then days, and then it bounces back there. So here, I think this one's even a more perfect example here. Here, a breakout occurs, false breakout. So what indicators are here for confirmation? Okay, and I think most beginner traders mistaken that they think that if you have all the common indicators that work, they think that if a breakout occurs or how to trade this thing, it means you take a sell or it means you take a buy. No, it's not that. They are used for confirmation. Okay, confirmation, just to make your evidence or entry point more stronger. Okay, so this was the first one that I use, and then the second one, we are gonna come to the 200 moving average. So what the 200 moving average is a long term moving average, very common. Yeah, so what I use it for is long term, and most of the times what it's used for again is for long-term trends. So as you can see here, when the market broke out of this, when the market broke out of the 200 moving MA, you see that it went far ahead, was in an uptrend since 2017 to 2018. So that's how it works. It's a long-term movement. And disclaimer, just for your information, the 200 moving average is a lagging indicator, means that it's slow. So let's say the breakout occurred, right? Meaning the 200 moving average would be about somewhere here or here. Okay, let me just find the let me just go to our to date trend so you can see what I mean by that. Okay, look at this. When this broke out over here, the indicator might be somewhere here. Okay, and as you can see here, the trend of this Euro USD, which was currently in an uptrend, okay, you can see that now we're here. Okay, so meaning for you to enter, it can be too late. Okay, you can miss the trend, all right? But what the 200 moving average is useful for is, again, long-term movements. So that's what it is. And the third one is, am I on the second or third? Okay, I'm on the third. Yeah, the third one is the 50 MA. Okay, so this one is another moving average. Okay, so this one is really just for fast day movements. Okay, medium. Okay, I can say medium because 200 and then comes 50 MA. Okay, yeah, so this one is just for, like, again, how you trade it is that when a breakout occurs after you do all your analysis. Okay, don't just take a trade because the market is broken out in the moving average. No, okay, you need to take analysis and then you need to take into key whatever I do. I'll give you an example here. Okay, let me just do this so that you can get a clear view of what I mean about it. So after you do your analysis, before you jump into any indicator, it's I recommend that you always do analysis, trade analysis, whatever you do it. I'm not sure how you do it, but this is a quick example. I've done it. So we can see that here a symmetrical triangle pattern is forming and a breakout is likely to occur. Okay, so let's say the breakout occurred about there. You will need confirmation, right? So you bring up your 50 MA and this happens. So you get a stronger evidential that the current market is likely or more stronger going into the upside. Okay, so that's how it is. And then let's move on to my other indicator, that is the 100 moving average. Very helpful. Okay, so this is also kind of a laggish indicator, but it's there. Okay, it's there. Unlike like the 200 moving average, which is about somewhere here, it's kind of ahead of it, so you can get some more speed up. Like, yeah, it's more faster than the 200 moving average, yeah, in terms of trending. Okay, so same applies, breakout and then wait. So how I don't use these indicators like separately. The MAs move together, but the envelope indicator is alone. Okay, so what I do if I want to get some confirmation is that before I go to the envelope indicator, I'm gonna bring up my 50 and 200. Okay, I don't use them separately. Okay, they go hand in hand. All right, and they are very helpful. As you can see here, you can see that the breakout on the 200 moving average occurred uptrend. The breakout on the 50 and 100 MA occurred a breakout. Okay, going to the upside. As you can see here, 200 moving average is down. Comes the 100 MA and the 50 MA, and sometimes I put on the 20 MA, but not most of the time. So as you can see here, very strong confirmation that it was going to the upside. Okay, so this is how I use, and these are the indicators that I use. So After I put on all this and I found some confirmation, I go on to the envelope indicator. The envelope indicator, I use it separately. So yeah, use it separately. Okay, so here as you can see, breakout occurs up and up. Okay, so the envelope indicator really moves together with the market. Okay, so is that one. Let me just put on all of them so that I hope the chart doesn't get too messy. Okay, all right. So, huh, wow. Okay, so this orange line here can act as a 20 AMA, all right? 20 simple moving average. So as you can see here, all breakouts occurred, okay? And then they're just going up like that. So I put on these and I use them after I've done on my analytics, analyzing what I use in my trading system. Depends what your trading system is before you go into the indicators. So after I do my price action, sometimes fundamentals, and then technical analysis. So just trying to like getting the big picture and entry point of this. So we've come to the end of this video. I hope you found something helpful about it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, comment down below, and share the video to your friends. And I will see you in the next video.